Hey, we're on a little nature hike. We are going to this little river over here where it carved a wall in the rocks. Pretty cool. I'm gonna check it out on this little trail. Are you going outside today? Oh my goodness. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? That's amazing. Oh my goodness, this is just breathtaking. Well, I can assure you that what I can see through this camera lens is not what I see. I mean, this is really, really beautiful. I guess I need a better camera. Get out and enjoy nature today. Be blessed. Have a beautiful day.